2 exercises. That's it. Chest, back, arms, shoulders, core, your entire body built with just 2 moves and nothing else. And the 2 exercises are pull-ups and dips. Not glamorous, not fancy, but if there were a royal family of bodyweight moves, these 2 are the kings. Think about it like this. Most workout splits weren't designed to build you faster. They were designed to keep you busy. Pull-ups and dips are the only 2 moves that hit your whole upper body and your core in one shot. Here's why. A pull-up doesn't just train your back. It hits your biceps, your forearms, and your core has to brace just to stop you swinging around like a piñata. And a dip doesn't just hit your chest and triceps. Your front delts are working the entire time, and your core is locked in. 2 moves, 1 full body. And here's where it gets interesting. Every time you add 1 more rep or strap on a little weight, you're building more muscle. That's progressive overload. Now let's be honest for a second. 2 exercises only works if you actually push them. Full range of motion, slow and controlled on the way down. And train them often, 3 or 4 times a week. That's the whole game. Somewhere out there, a guy is doing 11 chest exercises right now and wondering why he has no time left to live his life. Don't be that guy. You need a bar and gravity is free. 2 exercises done with intent beats an hour of fluff every single time. No myths, no gimmicks, just results, straight to the point. And drop a comment right now, which one do you like more, pull-ups or dips? And do you want another video on pull-ups and dips? An explanation of how to progress these 2? Tell me in the comments. And then subscribe to Clean Whip and see you in the next one.